In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact Victoria's Secret customer service. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the best and easiest way to do this is to head on to victoriassecret.com. Now, once you're here, you want to scroll down right to the bottom of the page, and you're going to see under help here, it says customer service. So go ahead and click into customer service. All right, so you're on customer service inside Victoria's Secret. So if we scroll down here, and now if you want to do a live chat, you can click here on this chat now button. This will open up a chat box. And another way, so you got a chat box here, so you can click on start chatting and say, hey, I'd like to talk to a customer service rep, and they'll go ahead and transfer you to that particular person or side. And they've got more contact options, so you can click on that button here. So we've got some numbers we can call. So for all inquiries related to Victoria's Sync, you can call this number. You've got another number here, so this is for pink credit card. This is probably the best number to call. So we've got a customer care. Give this phone number a call between 8 a.m. to 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And they've got Victoria's Secret stores here too. So we've got Canada, Mexico, UK, etc. And they've also got a mailing address here. So if you want to do old school and send their mail, you can do so in their mailing address here.